Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Welcome to another vlog. It has been so long since I uploaded a vlog, and I feel this need to apologize to you guys because I actually feel really bad. And the crazy thing is, even though we're all just online chatting with each other, I genuinely miss you guys when I'm not vlogging. I literally feel like something is missing, where it's kind of like when I talk to you guys, it actually kind of feels like I'm talking to you guys directly. It's weird, but anyway, I missed you guys so much. I am gonna give you guys so many updates throughout this vlog. There has been a lot going on in my life, and I'm excited to share, and I'm excited to get back to vlogging. I actually vlogged this past week. There was supposed to be a vlog up on my channel this morning, but then last night when I was editing the footage, and I don't know how I missed this, I feel so dumb. I did a bunch of the vlogging in my kitchen, and my husband's T4, for tax, and his social insurance number was stuck to our fridge. So it was in the back of a bunch of my footage. So I was like, this is so overwhelming. I do not know what to do. So I was just like, you know what? I'm not going to upload. I might throw some of that footage, shopping I did or whatever, into this vlog. I guess we'll see. But I just wanted to hop on and just say hi. Also, guys, I found this super cute light, which I meant to use while I was vlogging, at the dollar store. Let's see the difference that it makes. I don't know if it's that big. I'm in front of natural lighting, but anyway, little light for vlogging just to make the lighting less horrible. Anyway, I'm back, guys, or at least I hope so. Hopefully, I can keep up with it. It's a lot to add in my schedule. That's why I've been taking so many breaks. But my dogs are whining, so I'm gonna go let them out. And yeah, I'll give you guys lots of updates. Just bear with me. Look at all of this cute stuff that Little Modern Market sent over. A bunch of businesses got together and sent me a big package with all these cute little personalized notes. Oh my goodness. It's just so cute. I love this Ew David shirt. It's so adorable. This is a matching set, little crew neck. There's a market going on the 11th called Little Modern Market, and all these businesses decided to give me some stuff to share on my Instagram story, but I wanted to share it with you guys as well. Having a little mango snack. This always is just so satisfying and yummy. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of tahini to it as well. Oh, I don't know why there was so much on the top. I think I'm just gonna do it to half. Yummy. I'm just at the dog park right now. I don't know what I was thinking. It's -11 outside and I'm going to the dog park. My dogs are lucky if they get half an hour here today. I did not realize how cold it was. Also, I look so orange. I realized it when I got into my car. I was like, I think that I mismatched my foundation because it looks really orange. I think I'm gonna tone it down. I have some content I need to shoot when I get home. So yeah. Anyway, I take these hooligans out because they're driving me nuts and kind of go from there. And hopefully we don't freeze.
Welcome to McDonald's. Are they expecting any points on the app today?
No.
That's certainly funny. Can I get food?
Can I get a junior chicken meal?
A junior chicken meal?
Yep.
What's the drink?
Iced tea.
Okay.
Can I get that with a large fry?
With the large fry? Okay.
Yeah. Actually, I'm sorry. Can I get a Diet Coke with that instead of iced tea?
Diet Coke? Okay.
That's everything.
Is it large or medium?
Medium.
So junior chicken with large fry and a medium Diet Coke?
Yep.
$7.86 at your last one.
Thank you. I need to grab this from back here. I just picked up some McDonald's. I actually went to a friend in the city's place to shoot in her studio, or her little film setup. I guess we all call them studios. But because of all the rearranging we've done in our house recently. Hot. Those fries are super fresh. Just hopped a curb. I got another box from Try Treats, guys. Steven and I love these. And you guys have seen us try them before. Let's open it up. Steven's doing the unboxing. Where's it from? Japan. Japan. Okay, I'm actually really excited. Some info. That's good. Welcome to Japan, guys. These are all the treats that are in here. And here's the thing.
She's doing such a good job with the unboxing, showing us all the stuff.
Cheese Herrera. Pando brand butter cookie. Grilled corn tasted corn nuts. It's a very inappropriate picture.
It is?
A little bit. Whatever this thing is. Whatever these are. This looks like a marshmallow.
Okay.
Coffee beans. Oh, another weird cookie. And
Little things.
Pedro sticks.
Perfect. I'll link it for you guys down below. We're gonna try a few of these and see how they are.
I'm trying this.
Okay, I'm gonna try this, which was in this package here. Guys, I don't understand how there's like,
Big marshmallow.
how there's like this hand with the star. Isn't it jelly?
Yeah.
Do you want to take it out for me?
No, I got my marshmallow.
No, because I'm vlogging. So that way I don't have a free hand. Oh, that is so weird. This reminds me of one of those hands that you'd have as a kid. Is that what it's supposed to represent? And then it sticks to the wall? Good marshmallow?
It's legit just a marshmallow.
All right, I just came from outside. I was taking my dogs out. My nose is so runny. It's pretty chilly out. But I just got 2 packages in from Dolce Vita. One of these boxes is huge. Like, came in a really big box. I don't even know if that's completely fitting on here. But I think it's not that heavy. It just has, I think, 3 pairs of shoes in it. So let's just do an unboxing to see what they sent over because I'm so excited. I feel like this has to be one of my favorite like brands that I work with would be Dolce Vita. I feel like it would definitely be in like top 3. Just because I feel like I love the quality of their shoes so much. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at these. I did send them over, like they sent me their spring guidebook or spring catalog. So I just sent them ones I was interested in. And then they kind of like pick 3 or 4 pieces to send me. And this was one of them that I sent them. Guys, the perfect strappy heel, because I love that it has the 2 different neutral tones, and I'm a sucker for a strappy detail. I feel like it can elevate a look so much, and these are just absolutely stunning. They look even better in real life. Like, wow. Very excited to wear those as soon as the weather gets a little nicer out. But in the meantime, I can still wear them in reels and stuff. So that's the first pair. Let's see what else we've got. Well, actually, I think they might have just said 2 pairs of shoes. Yeah, because the one is actually in a massive box. So look how big this is. So I already know this is going to be a pair of cowboy boots. And I've always wondered if their cowboy boots would fit my calf. And I think there's a good chance that they won't. But these are absolutely stunning. I've looked at these so many times on the website. I did send them these as a pair that I'm interested in. They're called the Chiron boot. Like, are you kidding me? So pretty. I'm gonna try right now to see if my calf will go into this. I'm gonna say it's a long shot, but it's still worth a shot. So we're gonna just try it out. But also one of my calves is bigger than the other one. So the one I'm putting it on is the smaller calf. So I probably should have done my left side. Do you guys have one calf that's bigger than the other? Okay, I don't even know if this will, I don't even know if I can get this on into my smaller calf. It's really tight and it's not going up all the way. This is exactly what my fear was. Like, there you go. So it's not even going up all the way. So these boots are not gonna work for me, unfortunately. I might have to just pop these onto my POSHMARK. Guys, they're so cute though. Oh man, it's such a sucker, like such a shitty thing that when you have wide calves, finding like cowboy boots that go up is like nearly impossible. So I'm so bummed because these are so beautiful, but I kind of knew that it was a gamble. Let's see what the last thing is that they sent. It's one of their handbags. Oh my goodness. I wasn't sure if they would send this over in this PR package, but I've been interested in their Pippa handbag. Stop putting your ball in my box. Go over there. I'm very excited about this bag, guys. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Look how pretty this is. The detail, the quality. Wow. It's just like the way it feels. Absolutely stunning. That it comes with a long strap that I'm not gonna take out now. I will link their website for you guys down below, or I might just put all the items that I got, or all my favorite Dolce Vita items. I need to make a collection on my like to know it and link it for you guys, but something will be in the description box. But thank you so much, Dolce Vita. I love you guys so much, and these pieces are chef's kiss. While I was at the drugstore mailing Poshmark orders, I picked up some beauty products. One of these lip glosses. These are like a KKW Beauty dupe. So good. And then I've heard incredible things about it. The Make It Last Milani setting spray. I already own one of these and I love it. And this is the tinted NYX brow glue. I love the original, and tinted just seems better. Cute little makeup haul.
Look how cute Steven looks today. Steven looks so cute today. Got a nice new jacket from work.
It's not from work.
Or where then?
What?
Where'd you get it then?
Oh, I got it for free.
But where? From where? From where?
I'm an influencer now. I get free stuff too.
Steven, where did you get it?
I'm telling you.
You're not an
Stole from a
influencer.
homeless man.
Steven! We're finally trying Village ice cream. I got the toasted coconut and maple pecan, and Steven's trying 2 other ones. I can't remember, but we're really excited. Dinner is done. I made the cauliflower chicken parmesan. Mine's with Caesar salad. It's 6:30 and Steven's not home yet, so I'm eating without him, but I made his with spaghetti because he wasn't a big fan of just the veggies. This has got to be my current like obsession meal. I was craving it like since I made it the last time. When I was at the mall over the weekend, guys, I found the perfect white sneakers. I've been wanting these platform Converse, and I couldn't find them in my size until now. I can't even tell you guys how excited I am to own these. For spring and summer, they're so perfect for any outfit. Oh, so excited. I'm showing you guys my full fit. I'm not wearing my heels, but this is my birthday outfit for tonight. The jewelry and the makeup is makeuping. It's so cute. This keeps, I feel like I can wear this without a bra, which is really nice. I love this top. It has so much support, but that's where we're at for birthday night 1. And there's a cute cat here.
And my bag that won't close because camera.
Guys, we went with an all black theme. Everyone is slaying.
Hi, I'm Elena. Nice to meet you. I'm Lexi. What's up, my dudes? I'm Sexy.
It's perfect. Jade and the oysters. Look at all of this delicious food. And then there's also like pasta down here. This is what I look like.
Hungover.
Not like really hungover, just like tired and like dehydrated. I didn't drink a lot last night. I was just like out late and then like had to get up early. We're dropping the hooligans off at daycare, and like they're staying overnight because Steve and I have got my birthday celebration with just the 2 of us, a night out on the town. We got a hotel room, all this stuff. I'll obviously vlog for you guys, but yeah, here's Steven. First thing of the day, we are at the Divine Connection having a steam. It's called a YONI Steam for me, but Steven came with me, so out of his element. It's called like a lingam steam for a dude, and we're just like, it's like natural healing kind of, and she makes it just like such a vibe in here. This is my 2nd time doing it, and she invited me back for my birthday and told me to bring Steven, so that's the first thing of the day. We're just gonna sit here and relax and steam our all right, we just finished up at our steam. What did you think?
I don't know. I'll let you know after.
Yeah, but like it was fine. Like it was not, it's just like, it just is like relaxing. And she was so sweet, and she was my birthday, so she got us these creme brulee donuts, and she put a candle in mine and like sang me happy birthday. We're gonna try them. I gotta get to the cream. Okay. Wow.
That's like a 10 out of 10 donut. Yes. Steven took me to Alumni Sandwiches for lunch. Guys, these fries are so good. We got a meatball sub and I got the, I can't remember what it's called, but it's super good. We decided to get a coffee in our hotels before we get ready for dinner. These shoes are the cutest thing ever. I finally wore them. I got these from Torrid, but they're so cute. Yee-hoo. Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good.
Grilled potato with some cheese. Alright guys, so I decided to do something crazy and take out my hair extensions. Now that my birthday is done, I'm kind of like, you know what, I've been meaning to do it and just kind of see how I feel with my natural hair. I'm so terrified actually. Steven already took out one piece and he's back there with pliers. It's really easy to take out these extensions. It's like super quick. Like it's probably gonna take us 10 minutes to do all of it. So I'll show you guys when it's done. I'm kind of panicking. All right, Steven took them all out and I haven't seen it. I'm kind of freaking out. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna look like an egg. Okay, draw my hair.
It is. It's all your hair.
Steven? Oh my gosh. Okay, obviously it looks like shit right now, so it's hard to like see, but this is the length of it. I'm gonna style it. And yeah, extensions are out. All right, I'm just sitting down editing this vlog. I didn't really put timestamps throughout this or like date stamps throughout this vlog because I think there might have been a day where I didn't even vlog. My footage was kind of all over the place because it was a chaotic week. I was preparing for my birthday. There was a lot going on, but I want to give you guys a little bit more life updates in this vlog. So I'm just going to chat with you guys a little bit if that's cool. So I know I mentioned a while ago that my sister went in for a like open head surgery because she has trigeminal neuralgia. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's basically something that feels like an electricity shot that goes down the side of your face. It majorly affects the quality of your life. Brushing your teeth is terrible. Wind, anything, like it'll be like a spasm attack. So in order to combat it, she had to be on very high medication with very severe side effects. And she's a mom of 5, where it doesn't really work for her to do that. So she ended up going to Mexico to see a specialist, and it ended up coming back. So she had her second surgery a week ago. And guys, I was so stressed. I was crying. I made myself throw up from so much stress. But good news is she is having an incredible recovery. She's actually coming home this Friday. I am so unbelievably grateful that her recovery is going so well because she means the world to me and she is the sweetest person. So she really deserves all the best in the world. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to share that with you guys. Besides that, Steve and I are doing a little bit of like renovating in our house right now. We moved our living room space right now. This is actually on the main floor. We moved our living room downstairs, which I will try to show you in my next vlog. I didn't get around to that this time, but our living room's down there. I've got all my clothes up here. A lot of this stuff is on POSHMARK, or it will be on POSHMARK. Yeah, I don't know what else I can kind of share with you guys. There's obviously been a lot going on, but that's a little bit of a life update. I really, really miss you guys. And actually, when you guys see this, like on Monday, on the 13th, it's my actual birthday. My birthday is March 13th. So I did celebrate my birthday over the weekend, as you guys saw, on Friday and on Saturday. I didn't do much today. Steve and I literally just like hung out at home because with me going out twice and like him and I both going out last night, we didn't really want to do much. But tomorrow, him and I are still planning on celebrating. So it's a birthday vlog, but it's not even my birthday. Regardless, I love you guys so much. And yeah, chat with me in the comments and say hi. And yeah, let me know what you guys have been up to. I really miss you. And I'll see you in my next vlog.